Hey guys, my voice is still getting a little better. So, anyways, today I'm here with another video. So, I just got this SF9 Sensuous album, the exploded version. So, I thought of doing an unboxing video for this one as well. So, here I am with the unboxings. Okay, let me find the tape first. I can. Okay. Let me pause it. It will take a while. Alright. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Wait, let me put this aside first. Okay. Show, this is so pretty. Okay. Please tell me I got it. Y'all, please raise your hands in the comment section if you love playing with the bubble wrap. Okay, I need to stop it. Okay, so oh my god. Wait, it's kind of crooked over here. But oh well. Can't help it. This is really pretty. I have the other version of the Sensuous album. Totally forgot what it's called, but okay. This looks so pretty. So, oh, let me get the photo cards first. Oh wow, okay. Alright. So, this is how it looks. No, this one is really pretty. I really love the colors. Like, you see how it's like, it went from pink to green and turquoise, I guess. Is that how you say it? And then purple, a little bit of purple. So yeah, bro, the album is really crooked. I'm kind of sad though. So that's the CD. Even the CD is pretty. Like this album is prettier than myself. Like than me. Let me fix the camera first. I know the camera is like that instead of this. So I'm sorry about that. SF9 fifth mini album Sensuous. Okay, I need to stop doing this. So these are the names of the members. Yo, I really love the photoshoot of the exploded version for Sensuous. Like they all look so good. Like especially Chani, he didn't look like he was 19 years old. To be honest, he still doesn't look like it. I hope y'all saw his recent Instagram photo that he uploaded. Look at him. I love Jaeyoon and Sanghyuk's look. I mean that one's look, especially the piercing thing. Tracklist, Chiloso. I really love Photograph. This is like one of my most favorite songs of SF9. I mean, I really love all of their songs. Like, I don't really have a favorite song, but Photograph is like on the top. And it's more like a special song for me since Juho composed it. And then Champagne as well. Like, they really need to release Champagne and Youngbin's. Y'all remember that solo stage of Youngbin for Dreamer? They really need to release these two songs. Like I am not kidding. I really want them officially on an album. Oh my god. Yo, Chani and Jewel look so good. That's true. That's so beautiful. Diamond. I need to stop singing. Yo, Youngbin looks so good. If y'all like don't know, Youngbin is my bias. So I'm getting attacked right now. Oh my god. He looked so good. Like he looked really good. Look at him. I love his outfit. This is beautiful. Insane. Oh, I just realized he had freckles here. Those are fake freckles, right? But he does have freckles for this photo shoot. He looks so adorable. This kind of looks weird, but okay. I really don't want to like bend the entire album because like that would probably ruin the pages. So I'm like just trying to adjust it for the camera, like that. Hope y'all can see this, right? In song looks so adorable. He doesn't look like the oldest one, to be honest. Boy, I'm getting biased. He looks so good. Boy, I have this photo saved somewhere on my phone, or probably on Pinterest. I don't know. Dude, Jane has been bash checking me for so long now. Like, y'all see this thing? The piercing? He looks really good. Not everyone looks really good with lip piercings, especially. I know that's fake, but yeah, not everyone looks that good. I don't know about y'all, but like for me, but he looks really good. If y'all remember Taehyung, oh my god, Taehyung from BTS, during Love Yourself Tear, right? Yeah, Tear when he had the lip piercing as well. It looked really good on him as well. Boy, I love his hair. Like, I love how it's like styled and pushed back. It's just really cool. It suits him, to be honest. And I don't know if y'all can see this photo, but yeah. And trust me, this is not the light from my thingy, like right in front of me. It's not from that. Kind of looks like it's the light from my room in the camera, but trust me, it's not. He looks really good, bruh. so cool. It's freaking beautiful. Perfection in one word. I really love Youngsook and the song Chiloso. Thank you. I don't know why, but like um so some of my friends who like they don't really stand SF9, but they like saw the members, and so they say that Juho kind of looks scary, or like y'all know how he's like kind of quiet, I guess. So they say that he's kind of quiet, he kind of looks scary, but like I don't know why, he's just really like Juho is really adorable for me. What's wrong with me today? He's really adorable. Like I'm really soft for him. Like he's freaking adorable. He's really cute. Another perfection. Boy, I kind of I kind of revealed the last photo. I should be holding it like that. Okay, y'all, please pardon me. I'm like sniffing right now because it's really cold in Georgia right now, and yeah, whenever it's like winter in Georgia, it's like really bad. Like it's the baddest. I mean, the worst season for me. I got a cold this year as well. So yeah, I'm kind of sniffing. And then I came. I went to like I went out. Shit. What was I about to say? So yeah, I went out to like check the mailbox, and then it was really windy outside. So yeah, I started sniffing from ever since I went out. You look so good. I'm sorry, I just randomly start side conversations. Photograph. I really love this song. Like, it's my go-to song mode. That's more like it. Jane looks pretty good in here. You know, I really love the CEO for telling Hyung to keep his hair long. I don't know why, but like he looks really good with his hair long. I mean, he looks really good with his hair short as well, but he looks really good with long hair, especially if it's like a little bit curled on the front like that. Continue. I don't know how I survived this era, Chani, but I did. And shadow. They look so good. And the oh my god. See, that's why I hate bending it. I wasn't bending it truly, but yeah, anyways. And then those are probably the credits, I guess. SF9. So yeah, that's it. And then wait, do I have a poster? Are we supposed to have a poster though? Okay, never mind. So that was the album, right? And then this is something else. And the photo cards, I didn't see what members I got, but okay. So I got Hyung, and then Hyung, and for the selfie card I got Chani. So it's basically the youngest too. Usually for me, what happens when I buy BTS albums is that um, like most of my photo cards for BTS is of Park Jimin. He's my bias. Usually for people, they don't really get their biases photos that much. But in my case, for BTS only, I get like most of my photo cards are of Jimin. And for SF9, I only have one Youngbin photo card, and um, like it's not a photo card, but like the big pictures. I got only one Youngmin. Basically, I got only one Youngmin photo card, and I'm kind of sad. Like, I'm really happy that I got the other members as well, but then I only got one Rowan and one Youngbin. So I really want like those two, at least two photo cards of those two. So yeah, I just hope the next album that's about to come. I really hope that I get Youngbin or Rowan for that. So yeah, that was the Sensuous exported version. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll try to do the other Sensuous album that I have. I'll try to do an unboxing for that one, and I will do an unboxing for the album that's about to arrive. So that was it for the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So yeah. Why are my buys so damn awkward and whenever I'm like recording a video? Anyways, so I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day or great night wherever you are. Have a great time and early early happy Thanksgiving. Like my school will be like closed for 1 week, like the entire week next week. So hope you guys also spend time with your family on Thanksgiving. And yeah, have a great Thanksgiving. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. Anyways, bye. I'll see you guys next time.